What if I told you the real reason your warehouse feels slow, chaotic, and impossible to manage is because your bins are naked? Yep, I said it. No labels, just chaos. Today we're fixing one of the biggest problems wholesale distributors face, not being able to find anything in the warehouse. And listen, if you stick around until the end, I got a freebie you absolutely don't want to miss. Trust me, your warehouse team will thank you, so keep watching. Welcome back to Fix My Wholesale. I am Frank, the Wholesale Pro, and this is episode 7 of this series where we fix real wholesale problems with real solutions. If your warehouse feels like organized, chaos, emphasis, or that chaos, this episode is definitely for you. Bottleneck number 1. Your warehouse has no real labeling system. Your pickers shouldn't need intentions, Google Maps, or possibly physical power just to find a case of chips. Without bin labels, picking slow down, training takes longer, orders ship late, and accuracy tanks. The fix is simple. Create a warehouse bin labeling system that every employee can follow. Use a consistent structure like aisle, section, shelf, bin, example A3, B2, S4. With every bin has a location code clearly labeled and mapped. Your warehouse speed increases instantly. And if you want any step-by-step guide that walks you through creating this system, freebie alert! I put together a free ebook called Speed Up Your Warehouse Operations, a simple guide to labeling your bin locations. It shows you exactly how to set up an efficient labeling system that boosts accuracy and reduces picking time. Link is in the description below. Go grab it. Bottleneck number 2. You are still doing inventory counts manually. Clipboards, tally marks, yelling numbers across the warehouse, and then typing everything into Excel. You know exactly what I'm talking about. It is low error prone, and by the time you are done, the numbers are already updated. Fix for bottlenecks number 2. You need an automated inventory counting solution, something that helps your team count faster and get accurate numbers immediately. This is where OIS Inventory makes life easier. It lets your team count products right from their mobile device, scan barcode, adjust quantity, and synchronize everything instantly. No paper, no double entry, no arguing about who counted what. I will drop a link in the description if you want to check it out. Bottleneck number 3. Your team doesn't actually know where everything is. This is different from not having labels. This is where the system says one thing, but reality says another. This usually happens because products get moved by location, don't get updated. Replenishment is done inconsistently. Returns or damage get dumped anywhere. Temporary, well put it here for now, piles turn into permanent one. If pickers constantly say, it was here last week, who moved it? Who moved the pallet? You have a location accuracy problem. Fix for bottleneck number 3. Fixing this requires location discipline, meaning your bin locations stay accurate because your team keeps them accurate. Here's how you do it. First, assign permanent bin locations for every SKU Download the free ebook. It's help. Second, train your team to update the location immediately if something moves. Third, use an app like OIS Inventory to maintain real-time updates. Fourth, audit your bin locations weekly. If your system matches your floor, your picking accuracy goes way up. Quick question. How does your warehouse keep track of product locations today? A system or pure chaos? Drop your answers in the comments. I want to hear from you guys how you're dealing with. All right, let's recap bottleneck number 1. Labeling system. Fix it with structures being labeled. Bottleneck number 2, manual inventory count. Fix it with digital counting like OIS Inventory. Bottleneck number 3, inaccurate product location. Fix it with location discipline and real-time update. Fix these 3 areas and your warehouse can literally transform. If you want to learn more how OIS Inventory can help inventory locations and physical inventory count, request a demo with me. I include the link in the description below. Thanks for watching episode number 7, Fix My Wholesale. If this helped you, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss next week's episode. And don't forget to grab your free warehouse labeling ebook. Link is below. I am Frank, the Wholesale Pro. See you in episode number 8.